great day. We are getting delivery of the Marex 440 Gourmet Cruiser. I think it's my fourth boat from Sandy Hook Yachts, from Dan and Brian. Brian is awesome. Have been working with them for 4 or 5 years now. The service and the attention that they give to the customer is absolutely fantastic. That's why I continue to be a happy customer. This is the first 440 in the United States. I'm happy with this boat. Conversations with Brian and then I wanted to move to a yacht platform. I brought my wife to look at the Marex for the first time. She was absolutely in love with the boat. There is nothing in this boat that you cannot get in love with the finish, the materials, the fabric, the comfortable in the cabins, the helm, the galley. If you look at the galley of this boat, is second to none. So everything in this boat is absolutely unique in this platform. I don't think there is nothing in the market comparable to that. Oh, we are going to use much more now, and we also plan to use this boat during the winter time in Florida. We are going to go down to Florida. We are get a sleep in some place there, maybe Naples, maybe Fort Lauderdale. Come back in the spring and enjoy the summer and the fall here. Big shout out to Brian. Big thank you to him and the whole crew from Sandy Hook Yachts.